How to start investing for beginners with just $100. What if I told you that just $100 could be the start of your journey to financial freedom? No, you don't need thousands of dollars, and no, you don't need to be an expert. But what you do need is to start right now, because the longer you wait, the harder it gets. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to turn that $100 into a smart investment, even if you're a complete beginner. Step 1. Understanding the power of investing. Let's start with a fact that might blow your mind. If you invested just $100 per month in the stock market, with an average annual return of 10% in 30 years, you'd have over $197,000. That's the power of compound interest. And that's why starting today, even with just $100, can set you up for long-term wealth. Now, you might be thinking, isn't investing risky? It can be, but not investing is even riskier because inflation slowly eats away at your money's value. Every dollar you save in a traditional bank account loses purchasing power over time. Investing allows your money to work for you, even while you sleep. Step 2. Where to invest your first $100. Now that you know why investing is crucial, let's talk about where to put that first $100. Option 1. Index funds and ETFs. Ever heard of Warren Buffett? He once said that for most people, investing in a low-cost index fund like the S&P 500 ETF is the best way to grow wealth. Why? Because it automatically spreads your $100 across the 500 largest U.S. companies like Apple, Microsoft, and Amazon, reducing risk. If you had invested just $100 in the S&P 500 in 2000, that money would be worth over $400 today. And the best part? You don't need to pick individual stocks or constantly check the market. Option 2. Fractional shares. Think you need hundreds of dollars to buy Tesla or Google stock? Nope. With fractional shares, you can invest in any company with as little as $1. That means your $100 could be split across multiple high-growth companies. Option 3. REITs, real estate investment trusts. Want to invest in real estate but don't have thousands of dollars? REITs allow you to invest in real estate properties, like shopping malls and apartment buildings, without ever buying physical property. They pay dividends, which means you could start earning passive income from your very first investment. Option 4. Bonds and high-interest savings. If you're more risk-averse, consider government bonds or a high-yield savings account. They offer lower returns but more stability, making them great for a balanced portfolio. Step 3. How to invest your first $100, step-by-step guide. Let's break it down into 3 simple steps so you can start investing today. Step 1. Choose an investing platform. You'll need a brokerage account. Some of the best beginner-friendly platforms include Fidelity, great for beginners, no fees on index funds. Robinhood, easy-to-use app, great for fractional shares. Vanguard, best for long-term investing. Step 2. Deposit your $100. Most platforms allow you to start with as little as $10, so no excuses. Link your bank account and deposit your first $100. Step 3. Buy your first investment. Decide where to invest: index fund, ETF, or fractional shares. Place your order and boom, you're officially an investor. Step 4. The beginner's strategy for growth. The key to growing your money isn't just about where you invest, it's about sticking with it. Here's how. Consistency beats timing. Don't try to predict the market. Invest regularly, even if it's just $10 a week. Reinvest your returns. When you earn dividends, reinvest them instead of cashing out. This supercharges your growth. Avoid emotional decisions. The stock market will go up and down. Stay calm, stay invested. Let's take an example. Sarah started investing $100 a month in an index fund at age 25. Her friend Mike waited until 35 to start, but invested twice as much, $200 per month. Who ends up with more at retirement? Sarah does. Even though she invested less per month, she started earlier, letting compound interest do the heavy lifting. Step 5. Common mistakes to avoid. Before you start, avoid these beginner mistakes. Investing without research. Never invest in something you don't understand. Chasing hype stocks. Just because a stock is trending doesn't mean it's a good investment. Ignoring fees. Some brokers charge hidden fees that eat into your returns. Always check. Not diversifying. Putting all your money in one stock is risky. Spread it out. Final thoughts. Your $100 could change your life. Think about it. What else can you do with $100? Buy some fast food? A few Uber rides? Or invest it and let it grow into thousands over time? The choice is yours. The best investors aren't the ones who started with the most money. They're the ones who started early and stayed consistent. Now, I want to hear from you. Where will you invest your first $100? Drop a comment below. If this video helped, give it a like and subscribe for more investing tips. Your future self will thank you. See you in the next video.